Knowledge, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Cumberland County in South Central Pennsylvania, Central Dauphin County in South Central Pennsylvania, Western Lebanon County in South Central Pennsylvania, Northwestern York County in South Central Pennsylvania, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Dehart Dam to Paxtonia to Lower Allen to Dillsburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrisburg, Lower Allen, Hershey, Colonial Park, Progress, Middletown, Camp Hill, Palmyra, New Cumberland, Linglestown, Steelton, and Enville. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 235 to 259. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 4. Interstate 81 from mile markers 68 to 96. Interstate 83 from mile markers 29 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties: Cumberland, Dauphin, Lebanon, and York. The National Weather Service